Hey folks, glad you're here. Today we're looking at a Facebook gadget that's everywhere right now, the Qinux WaterBlitz. If you've ever wondered whether one of these miracle hose nozzles is worth your money, stick around. So, first up, let's check out the ads. They're dramatic, over the top, and make it look like this nozzle can do just about anything. Cut fruit with a water jet, erase years of dirt from your driveway, make your car shine, all with zero electricity. Looks fun, right? But if you pause the video or watch closely, you'll see something fishy. The jet in the video isn't coming from the little plastic nozzle they're selling, it's from a much more powerful professional pressure washer. Classic move. Show you one thing, sell you another. Alright, let's see what happens when you actually click through to the website. You get blasted with a 50% off deal because of course it's always on sale. Scroll down and you'll see even more powerful dirt removal videos, except again, it's not the same device. They keep showing these amazing results, but never up close and never with the actual nozzle they want you to buy. There's also a parade of before and after photos. The difference is always huge, but you never see how they actually got from point A to B. Notice there's no close-up video proof of this nozzle working. If it was really that good, don't you think they'd show it off? Keep going and you hit the wall of 5-star reviews. Every single review is positive. No criticism, no real names, and surprise, no way to leave your own feedback. And get this, scroll all the way down and you'll find a legal disclaimer warning that their website isn't intended to diagnose or cure any disease. Wait, what? Either this nozzle is supposed to heal your lawn and your back, or they just forgot to swap out their generic website template. Either way, it's hilarious. Now, let's try to buy it. The checkout page hammers you with the same wild promises. Up to 15x more pressure, removes stubborn dirt in seconds, fits any hose. The price, $59 for one nozzle. Then they start piling on warranty, package protection, and a bunch of extra fees. If you've made it this far, your wallet is already shaking. But here's where it gets really fun. Open up AliExpress, search by photo, or just type high pressure washer nozzle, and you'll find the exact same product for about $3. No fancy branding, no wild promises, just a plastic nozzle. The only thing Qinux WaterBlitz does 15 times better is empty your bank account. What about real reviews? On their site, it's all rainbows and 5-star fireworks. You can't even leave your own review, but on Trustpilot? Almost nothing, except a couple of real people warning that it's a scam, that it doesn't do what it claims, and good luck getting your money back. So much for thousands of satisfied customers. Bottom line, the Qinux WaterBlitz is just another overhyped, overpriced garden nozzle. The ads are fake, the urgency is fake, and those miracle results are, you guessed it, also fake. If you really want to try it, save yourself the headache and buy the $3 version from AliExpress or your local hardware store. Alright folks, that's it for today.